My mama got her first big sweet potato. Big Mama's garden. I know she's happy. I'm getting ready to tackle this sweet potato bed here, along with the rusted potatoes that's overpowered by the sweet potato leaves and the vines. Let's see what I can come up with. The harvest over here, because it's growing. Sweet potato vines are just coming out everywhere. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to harvest some sweet potatoes and some russet potatoes out of this garden bed. Okay, let's see if we're gonna find any sweet potatoes or russet potatoes among all of these vines. Okay, let's see. Oh. Ooh, I see something right here. Ah, is that a big sweet potato? Look at that! Oh, my first sweet. Look at you right next to the sweet potato sign. Oh, okay. Ah, just come see. Look at that! Oh, that's a big sweet potato there. Oh, yes. Oh, boy. It looks like this is going to be a good harvest. Okay, sweet potato. Hey. Okay, let me pull all these vines up here and see what else I'm going to get. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, sweet. Ah, look at here. I see another big one. Look at that sweet potato there. Ah!
Oh my God.
Look at that. Oh boy, this is a great harvest. Oh boy.
Look at that. Let me see, they have more?
Let me find some more in here. Oh, boy. That's a big one.
That's so good like that. Yeah.
Okay, what's else under here?
Make sure you look up a couple times, Mama.
Look, I see another one right here. Oh boy. Okay. Some big old sweet potatoes growing in Big Mama's garden this season. Oh yes. I'm so excited. Yes. Let me finish pulling up all of these vines and digging in this soil and see what else I'm gonna find. Harvesting some sweet potatoes. Boy, they're coming up big. I'm enjoying this harvest. Yes, I'm excited to see them big. Yes. Oh boy, look at that. Oh boy. Sweet potatoes grown in Big Mama's garden. Yes. I'm so happy with this sweet potato harvest. All underneath the dirt. Real big. Okay. Look at that. Another big sweet potato. Oh yes, this is a great harvest. Look at here, finding them bigger and bigger. Ah, look at that sweet potato there. Oh, Lord. boy, I think this is gonna be my best harvest of sweet potatoes since I've been growing sweet potatoes here in Big Mama's garden. I don't remember seeing them coming out this big. That feel heavy too. Okay, sweet potatoes, looking great. Okay, I cleaned out this side over here with the sweet potatoes. And look what I've harvested so far. Oh, some big ones. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Got all these vines here. These ones right here, I'm going to save and put them in some water. Root them back out and grow me some more sweet potatoes. Look at this one here. Got the little purple flower on it. Still. Oh boy. Okay. More sweet potatoes to grow. But let me get over here and tackle this side over here. Now this is where my russet potatoes was at. Let me see if I'm going to get any russet potatoes out of here. It's going to all be sweet potatoes. Because the vines, sweet potato vines took over this bed. Didn't give the russet potatoes probably no help growing. No russet potatoes over here, but I found another sweet potato. Yes. And I think I found another one right here. A little one. Okay. Okay. Nice sweet potatoes. Okay. Let me finish digging. Look at here, one more sweet potato found. Okay. Oh, this is a great harvest this season. Look at all my sweet potatoes here. Look at all my sweet potatoes I have harvested so far. Yes. And still digging over here for more. See if I'm gonna find any more. Nice big harvest of sweet potatoes from Big Mama's garden. Cleaned out this bed. Get it ready for fall planting. But I got a nice big harvest of sweet potatoes this season. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Look at the big one now. Boy, got a lot of big ones. Okay, I saved some nice sweet potato vines to regrow me some more sweet potatoes. Got them soaking in some water so they can root, and I can put them back in the soil and grow some more sweet potatoes. Some more sweet potato slips here. Used the vines last time and they grew me a lot of nice sweet potatoes this season. So I'm gonna try it again.